The world as we know it is changing, and so is the way we move. Transportation has become a vital part of our daily lives, but it also poses a significant threat to the environment. The good news is that technology has come to the rescue in the form of artificial intelligence. Hello viewers and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will explore how AI is redefining sustainable transportation and what its future holds for us all. So grab a cup of coffee and join us on this exciting journey. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Transportation has undoubtedly made our lives easier, but at what cost? The transportation sector is responsible for a significant amount of greenhouse gas emissions that contribute to climate change. Cars, buses, and trucks release pollutants such as nitrogen oxides, NOx, particulate matter, PM, and volatile organic compounds, VOCs, into the air we breathe. These emissions not only harm the environment, but also pose serious health risks to humans. Moreover, traditional means of transportation are often inefficient and time-consuming due to congested roads and outdated infrastructure. This leads to wasted fuel and increased air pollution while negatively impacting productivity. The issue with current transportation practices goes beyond environmental damage or efficiency concerns. It's about creating a sustainable future. As the world population grows along with its demand for mobility, it's crucial that we find ways to maintain accessibility without compromising on sustainability. Enter AI. This innovative technology offers solutions that can help us tackle these challenges head-on in ways never before thought possible. How AI is helping to solve the problem. Artificial intelligence plays a pivotal role in unlocking efficiency and reshaping the landscape of sustainable transportation. By harnessing the power of AI technologies, we can revolutionize the way we move, commute, and transport goods while minimizing environmental impact. Let's delve into the key areas where AI is making a significant difference. Smart traffic management, reducing congestion and emissions. One of the major challenges in urban areas is traffic congestion, which leads to wasted time, increased fuel consumption, and heightened emissions. AI-powered traffic management systems offer a solution to this problem by analyzing vast amounts of real-time data and optimizing traffic flow. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, these systems can predict traffic patterns, identify bottlenecks, and dynamically adjust traffic signal timings to reduce congestion. AI can facilitate intelligent routing and adaptive traffic control, ensuring efficient movement of vehicles on the road. This not only improves travel time for commuters, but also reduces fuel consumption and emissions, contributing to a greener and more sustainable transportation network. Autonomous vehicles, enhancing safety and efficiency. The advent of autonomous vehicles powered by AI has the potential to revolutionize transportation as we know it. These self-driving cars and trucks leverage advanced sensors, computer vision, and AI algorithms to navigate roads and make decisions in real time. By eliminating the human factor from driving, autonomous vehicles offer enhanced safety and efficiency on the roads. AI enables autonomous vehicles to detect and respond to their surroundings, including other vehicles, pedestrians, and road conditions. This leads to fewer accidents and smoother traffic flow. Intelligent logistics and supply chain management. Efficient logistics and supply chain management are crucial for sustainable transportation, especially in the context of freight and goods movement. AI brings intelligence and optimization to these areas, enabling businesses to streamline operations, reduce costs, and minimize environmental impact. By leveraging AI algorithms, companies can optimize their transportation networks, including route planning, load optimization, and real-time tracking. This results in reduced fuel consumption, lower emissions, and improved delivery efficiency. Energy optimization in electric vehicles. The transition towards electric vehicles, EVs, is a significant step in achieving sustainable transportation. However, optimizing energy consumption and charging infrastructure is essential to fully realize the potential of EVs. AI plays a pivotal role in this domain by analyzing vast amounts of data and providing intelligent insights. AI algorithms can optimize the charging schedules of EVs based on factors such as electricity prices, grid demand, and individual usage patterns. By smartly managing charging patterns, AI ensures efficient utilization of energy resources and reduces the strain on the power grid. Additionally, AI can assist in predicting battery health, optimizing energy regeneration, enhancing public transportation systems. Public transportation is a key component of sustainable transportation, as it promotes the efficient movement of people while reducing the number of individual vehicles on the road. AI has the potential to enhance public transportation systems by optimizing routes, improving schedule accuracy, and enhancing the overall passenger experience. By analyzing historical data, AI algorithms can identify patterns and trends in public transportation usage. This information can be used to optimize bus and train schedules, ensuring that services are aligned with peak demand periods. AI can facilitate the integration of different modes of transportation, such as buses, trains, and ride-sharing services, to create seamless multimodal experiences. By providing passengers with accurate information and personalized recommendations, improved road safety through AI. Ensuring road safety is a critical aspect of sustainable transportation. AI technologies contribute to this goal by enhancing road infrastructure, enabling predictive maintenance, and detecting potential hazards. AI-powered systems can analyze data from various sources, including sensors, cameras, and weather reports, to identify potential safety risks on the roads. For instance, AI can detect road surface conditions, such as ice or potholes, and alert authorities to take necessary actions. Additionally, AI algorithms can monitor driver behavior and provide real-time feedback to promote safer driving practices. AI can assist in the development of intelligent transportation systems, where vehicles can communicate with each other and with infrastructure elements. This allows for real-time exchange of information, enabling vehicles to make informed decisions and avoid accidents. Unlocking efficiency in air travel. While most of the focus on sustainable transportation revolves around road and rail systems, AI also has the potential to unlock efficiency in air travel. The aviation industry faces challenges in terms of fuel consumption, emissions, and air traffic management. AI can address these challenges and redefine the way we travel by air. The future of sustainable transportation. The future of sustainable transportation is looking bright and promising. Thanks to the integration of AI, we are seeing a shift towards more eco-friendly modes of transport that prioritize sustainability and environmental well-being. One exciting development in this space is the rise of electric vehicles, EVs. EVs have come a long way in terms of affordability, range, and charging infrastructure. So this was our today's video. I hope you all like it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And share it with your friends and family. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.